Fundamentals of Digital Marketing, a roadmap to become a pro. Digital marketing.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
As we all know, is the core subject in promotion of brands. The internet is a wide ocean for promoting brands through multiple e-platforms. Marketing helps brands introduce themselves to customers. It helps companies understand customer needs and fulfill them. It's a trend to promote products through the internet, and making them stand out is not an easy task. To help with these, the fundamentals of digital marketing and its principles are introduced. Let us learn about each one in the following section. When we look at the field of online marketing, people are more inclined to shop on online platforms rather than go out. So we can say that digital marketing has become a part of everyone's lives. Let's talk about the important aspects of digital marketing. What are the fundamentals of digital marketing? The fundamentals of digital marketing encompass essential strategies for promoting products or services online. This includes optimizing websites for search engines, SEO, crafting engaging content, leveraging social media platforms, employing email marketing, and utilizing online advertising. These are just a few examples. Data analysis and audience targeting also play an in-depth role, allowing businesses to refine their approaches based on insights. A comprehensive understanding of these fundamentals enables businesses to effectively connect with their target audience, enhance brand visibility, and achieve their marketing goals. Let's now go in depth, one by one, exploring all the fundamental concepts of digital marketing. 1. Content marketing and search engine optimization, SEO. First and foremost, being creative and different is what makes content marketing successful. The World Wide Web is a platform for millions of businesses. Being recognized among such huge competition is a difficult task. Having new and unique content sets you apart from other marketing platforms and aids in website recognition. Proper strategies have to be made to market websites with multiple forms of content like videos, newsletters, podcasts, blogs, emails, and much more. Content marketing brings the audience closer to services products. Hence, reaching out to the audience is necessary. And this helps build good traffic to the website. To stand out from the crowd, content marketing is one of the fundamentals of digital marketing that is vital. Search engine optimization helps beginners learn and adapt to marketing on a larger scale. Let us know how SEO helps in digital marketing. SEO basics help simplify the needs of the digital marketing industry. Basically, SEO is about finding the right keyword and placing it in the right place. The use of the right keywords can bring more traffic to a website. Inclining the website to be at a higher rank through search engines is an industrial need. SEO is one of the fundamentals of the digital marketing field and acts as a key asset for high-quality promotion. Let me show you an example. Do you see how you did not click on the link I gave hypertexting the keyword search engine optimization? Maybe if I had said, for a deeper understanding, read our latest blog on SEO in digital marketing, how does it work? There is a possibility you might click on it to learn more. It is a similar thing when we say using the right keyword in the right place. Similarly, understanding SEO and making an effective product for customers is important. By making effective changes to the website, rankings get higher. Since SEO is all about searching, optimizing, and advertising on the web, your consistent efforts will take the website to a higher position. 2. Email marketing. Email marketing is an effective and efficient way to reach customers and grasp the fundamentals of digital marketing. To get the interest of the target audience, new offers and exciting deals are provided, enabling companies or institutes to generate more traffic. Email marketing is all about advertising and giving clear information to reach the audience. Knowing the basics and functions of internet marketing and using it as a key asset will help in building greater strategies for email marketing. Learn about the strategies used by top brands like Red Bull, Coca-Cola, and Nike for a deeper understanding. Guide to Top Brand Marketing Strategies.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.